Today we will see about state-discharge relationship development. Therefore, you will have such stage data and also this actual data which is measured within a certain period of time by using current meter method. I think you have learned this session, this state-discharge relationship development in your hydrology course and as well hydrometry practice course. So to develop such a rating curve, you will have such equation QC, which is equals to C into H plus A the power of N, or you can use this one. Two equations are similar. So here is your given data is this observer number, H state data and actual data. The others you are going to compute. Therefore, here to compute Q actual, Q computed, you will have constants C, A and N. Here these are arbitrary numbers. I can change those numbers like 1, 2, 3. Here are constants. But to determine the computed QC, Q which is equals to, escape. Here in this equation, Q which is equals to, where is C? This one. This times. But this C is what? Constant number. Throughout all the cell values, it is constant. To make it constant, after clicking on C value, click on F4. Then the dollar sign will be displayed. That means the number is constant, or that cell is used as constant for all the cell values. Then multiplies, then open bracket, then what is H plus A? Here is H, the state data. This one has its own value, different values, plus, then what? Plus A. A is constant. Click on A, then what? F4. Then close bracket. Close bracket. Then the power of N. Yes? To make power, shift 6. Shift 6. Then power sign will be displayed. Then what? N. Here is N. Then N is also constant. Therefore, click F4. Click F4. Then you can say enter. Then you can double click here or drag this one. Then these values will be, the computed Q discharge will be displayed like this. Then to determine such a state discharge relationship or rating curve, you should have to compute the error. What is the error? The error means actual discharge minus computed discharge. This actual discharge is the discharge which is measured by using current method. Therefore, to determine the error, that is the difference. So you can say equals, then QA minus, this is the computed discharge, yes, equals, then enter. Then the error will be displayed like this. Then you can say double click. Then finally, here are the steps. You see, the square the errors. Which are the errors? These are the errors. Yes. Therefore, to square the errors, here you can say equal. Then click on this value. Then shift 6 to make a square. Then write 2. Then equals. Therefore, the square of error will be determined. Then what? Double click on it. Then it will be displayed. Then what? It says sum up the errors. Then I can select this all sum square errors. Then I can say sum. Then this one is the sum of the square. So after here you will go to solver. To make solver, it will be displayed in your sheet. File, then options, then add-ins, file, options, then add-ins. add-ins. If you click on add-ins, this will be displayed like this. Excel add-ins. You can say go. Here, click on go. Then you will display here analysis toolpack, VPA, euro currency, and solver add-in. You can click only, select only solver add-in, or you can check all. So after checking, say OK. Say OK. Then solver will be displayed on your standard menu. Here, after making like this, go to data. You see, before solver was not here. Then I'm going to determine these constants. So go to solver. Here, the function is minimization of this sum square error. Here are tools. Sorry. So here is one of optimization. So here my target is what? This value. So here you see, set objective. My objective is what? This one. Sum square error. Target ምንድነው? Sum square error minimize ማድረግ ነው። Select አደረኩ። እዚህ ጋር መልሼ ክሊክ አደርጋለሁ። It is selected. Then what? To maximum, minimum value. But my target is minimum. Minimization of the error. By what? By changing variable cells. Which cells are going to be variable? This constant values. Let me minimize it. These constant values should be changed. By changing C, A, and N, what? Minimize the error. So solver. Then by changing cells 2, 2, 4, 3. Then here select these values. Yes. Then I can say OK. Set subject to the constraints. If you have constraints here, you can add constraint. Constraint ማለት ምንድነው? ለምሳሌ ኔጌቲቭ የሚሆኑ ነምበሮች ሊኖር ይችላል። ለምሳሌ ይሄ greater than or equal to 0 መጻፍ ይችላልው። I can say add this one also. እዚህ ጋር this is greater than or equal to, then I can write 0. Add here also n should have to be greater than or equal to 0. Then here I can write 0. Then I can say OK. Then here are functions. By what method it is going to be solved? Non-linear method, simplex method, evolutionary method. Let's select non-linear method. And here also there are number of iterations. If you increase the number of iterations, your accuracy will be increased. But for the time being, the default value of iteration is 50. Let's take the default value and OK. Then say solve. Keep solver solution. OK. Now it changes 1.3, 2.8, 3.6. But it's also, it's not minimum. I can also change the number of options here, but I can change this one, this value. I think this one is A. Let me change it. This one A can be any number, so I can say cancel, or I can delete. But those also will not be required for the time being. For other things will not be. It will be mandatory. I can say solve. Yeah, now it has solved it. Before the error was 5,788. Yes, now it has reduced. My option is what? Minimization of the error. So it has minimized to 2.788.61. But if I increase the number of iterations here to, where is the iteration? 200, my accuracy will be increased. Let's say now, or more or less the same value. Therefore, these are the constants So if you get after this time the stage value, this is once the actual the stage and the actual discharge measure parallelly. ምንድነው discharge measure ስታደርጉ stage data measure ታደርጋላችሁ ብዙ ጊዜ stage data measure የሚደረገው calibrate ለማድረግ መጀመሪያው current meter በcurrent meter data discharge determine ታደርጋላችሁ ከዛ በኋላ ግን ሁሌ current meter የያዛችሁ ይሄዳችሁ determine ማድረግ አያስፈልጋችሁ stage data ብቻ ታነባላችሁ then equation develop ታደርጋላችሁ አሁን እኮ QC ምን ሆነ እዚህ ጋር QC which is equals to C is 15.36 into H plus 1.46 the power of 2.6 በዚህ equation stage data ካላችሁ always you can determine the discharge data ማለት ነው therefore you can determine as such